Now the mission is to go home alive.
Dreamt we spoke, I dreamt we spoke.
Oh, my people, what's up? Enrique Morris aquí. One more time for you guys, bring you some crazy adventures on beautiful natural place, you know, guys. Almost into a place I got for you guys that is new for me, for you gonna be, and I'm gonna bring to you this bridge. As I told you in my last video, I promise you guys to come here and do this chopper, you know, in the Esqueleto Bridge. So we are here, almost in the location. Pretty much there is the bridge. And I am in a big bridge that I don't know how the heck to go there. So I'm gonna have to find a way to go there. Some people, you know. So let's see how cool is this bridge is. Alright, let's go, guys. I'm very exhausted. I'm tired, but I'm happy. I got all those nice shots for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Remember one more time, subscribe guys. You know, let me show you how. Hit the red button, hit that bell to stay tuned for the new videos coming ahead, guys. Thank you very much to stay with me in the whole this journey and this trip and new chopper. So stay tuned, new adventures coming ahead, guys. All right, thank you very much. Appreciate it. You being there. All right, with me. Ciao.